Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking all about how to keep your glasses clean. Callum, who edits these videos, he noticed that on YouTube there were already a lot of videos about this subject and that actually a lot of them gave pretty bad advice. And I was not surprised to hear that because doing this job as long as I have, I've come across some pretty weird and wonderful ways that people clean their glasses which they think are going to be helpful and are actually really detrimental. Now, if you're a glasses wearer, you clean your glasses on average 8 to 10 times every single day. So this is a really important subject for you and I'm going to be imparting all the knowledge and advice that I can. So let's get started. Now, the fundamental aspect which dictates how easy your glasses are to keep clean is the quality of coating that's on them. So this is something that people often don't think about when they're buying glasses, but is actually a really important decision. And I can't speak for every optician, but we actually bundle in the best quality coating with all of our glasses. We don't charge extra for it. A modern good quality coating has quite a lot of benefits over a regular lens. The reason that coatings exist, by the way, if you're interested, is to eliminate reflections. So this would be an ordinary lens, and this is a lens with an anti-reflective coating. And hopefully you can tell that there's actually a lot of reflections coming off this lens and virtually none of this one. The benefit to you is that makes your vision a lot clearer with the coating, particularly in certain situations like when you're driving at night, for example. It also makes people see your eyes better, so you look better. But anyway, let's get into what you actually came here to learn, and that's my advice for cleaning your glasses. Now, most of the time, all you need to do to clean your glasses is to use warm water, by which I mean not cold, not hot, just room temperature, and a microfiber cloth. And that is it. No washing up liquid, no putting them in the dishwasher, no wearing them in the shower with you in the morning, none of that, just a cloth, warm water and your glasses. And actually, if your glasses do have that high quality coating that I talked about, you probably don't even need water. But every so often, you will get a buildup of grease or dirt on your lenses. That's kind of inevitable. And that's where I would actually recommend lens wipes. I'm not as keen on the sprays. I think the lens wipes are really portable, really easy and consistent method for cleaning your glasses. So you take one of these lens wipes, and in terms of brands, I recommend Zeiss. They're the experts on lenses across multiple industries. Why would you not use them to clean your glasses? A wipe like this will actually clean 2 or even 3 pairs of glasses at a time. Also brilliant for things like an iPad screen. Great for getting like fingerprints off that. So you can take one of these lens wipes out, use it on multiple different things, and you're good to go. Now, the third method for cleaning your glasses, which is probably not something you're going to be able to do yourself, is to put them through an ultrasonic cleaner. The problem is that as meticulous as I can be to clean these as thoroughly as possible, you will always get a build-up of dirt in areas that you can't get to with conventional methods. Whether it's around the rim of your glasses, or in the hinge, or on the nose pads, you're going to get a build-up of dirt somewhere on every single frame. And the only way to get rid of that dirt is to use an ultrasonic bath. You can buy one of these relatively cheaply. With all the glasses that we sell, we actually invite you in every 6 months for a free service on your glasses, which gets rid of all that dirt that builds up in hard to reach places. So I actually think if you follow those 3 simple why am I holding those 3 fingers up? So I actually think if you follow those 3 simple steps, that's all you need to do. Warm water in the cloth, occasionally a lens wipe, and then every few months, a deep clean with an ultrasonic cleaner. Anyone who's complicating it further than that, it's just not necessary. And of course, in the first place, make sure you get a good quality coating on your glasses. It will make a big difference to your quality of life if you wear glasses. If you have any more questions, and why would you, because I've just covered everything there, but if you do, please leave them in the comments below. Please give this video a like. It really helps us become more popular on YouTube. We're trying to grow this channel as much as we can, and of course, subscribe. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.